Oh, hello. Well, somebody left this at my door. I wouldn't really encourage that kind of thing. No, definitely not. But I happen to know who left it here. And I'm going, what is this? What is this? I don't know. So we're going to figure it out together here. Because I have a feeling there's little bones on it and little paw prints that it must be from my little Henry dog. So here's little, is that so he don't blow away in the wind? Oh, how cute! Well, he's light, you know, so we'd have to stick him down so he doesn't get blown away in the wind. This is his own little tent for when we go camping. I'm thinking so. Let me try to figure out how to put it together. Look at that. It took me a second or two. I'm not exactly mechanically inclined over here. But look at it. It fastens on and it's not going to blow off in the wind. Anyway, my dog gets cold if it drops below 74 degrees. And when we go camping, he'll have his own little home in here. This is Henry's home. I don't have a link or anything at the moment. I'll try to get one. But, isn't that the cutest little thing? You know what? If I had a thermometer or something, I have a feeling with him in here, you know, because it's a smaller space, this will be good too if we have some sort of power outage in the winter. Because he's always huddled so close to me, but I could put this on my bed so he has his own little area in there. And his little heat will stay in there with him. And I got to put a little blanket in there. Isn't that the cutest little thing? I thought so. I did. Well, there you have it. Happy early birthday, Henry.